Hello friends, let's see how to build a hostel management app. You can see I already built an app for our college hostel students. When they joining into the hostels, there is a lot of problems they face. To solve that problems, I have developed this app. You can see the my app user interface and what we are providing in it. We have the best facilities with low prices and unlimited varieties of foods. You can see this is the photo logo of the page. And initially, let's log into the by student account to see what the student can access from this app. By entering his mail ID and password, he can log in. Here you can see there are four features: find roommates, my details, app play, and food menu. Let's go through each feature in detail. Initially, let's go to the food menu feature. By clicking this button, the student can know. Wait, it's loading. The student can know what is the menu or what are the food items that are serving in the hostel in mess. As you can see, this is automatically updated by the form which is submitted by hostel warden or any other person who is maintaining the mess. He will enter the details what are the food items available in at the morning time or afternoon time at dinner time before everyone going to the mess. He will update in this form and it is automatically render in this space. It is very helpful to the student. You can come to this feature, this place and see what food is serving in the hostel or the mess. Let's coming to the another feature, apply for the leave. This is the main problem every hostel student are facing seriously. As we are going to take permissions from the HODs or from the hostel wardens, there is a large queue and a lot of time waste process. As we, in this feature, you can see there are some features attributes. You can see that the name and the room number and the when date you are going to outing and what the purpose of your going, and there is also a check button that you have get the permissions from your parents or not. Let's see how it works. As you can see, I am entering some details of the student and I am entering here room number also, room ASR 101, and the outing date is going, I'm going on 20, and also you can also here mention the time as I mentioned here 6 o'clock. The purpose of outing is going to house. The main idea to develop this feature is there is a lot of time waste as we are letting the letters getting from the permission from the HODs waiting in there and waiting in the queues at the warden office. So lots of waiting problem as you can see. As I submitted, you can see that outing report was sent successfully. Let log into the admin page. How the permission is granted, let's we can see here. I provided the login page, admin login page. As we entering into the admin login details, I am entering the details of the admin. As you can see, if you enter wrong details, it shows you are not an admin. Let's say I can enter the correct details now. It and with IT 1 2 3. Let's log into the page, admin page. This is the two features as admin can access. First is outing process. Here you can see that Hare Krishna Sangozu room number from ASR 101. He has applied the outing and the purpose is going to add. Here you have seen two buttons, accept button and reset button. As he accept the button, here the status changes to accepted, as that means the outing result is successfully accepted, and that the student will automatically notify that you have granted the permission. He has got the permission to go out. Come back. It is the menu app as we already see in before the few minutes where the student getting the updates for the food from the hostel. This is the main form I discussed earlier later, where the hostler management or students or staff or anyone who managing the hostel, they are updating their food details here. What is the menu at that time? Then right, you can see there puri and ham, idli and ham is mutton, providing here mutton. Some snacks like fried potato chips. As they get submitted, the form gets submitted. As we are going to the students portal, we can see what's the food menu. Here we can see the menu is already, I can change it. What the details the hostler management enters there. That means so the updates were ported here or render here. This is about all these two features. And let's coming to the main feature of our app is finding a room. Every hostel student has this problem. Initially they have a hard time to find out the room, go paying the fees or going anywhere, and allocating the hostel is very difficult, sir. As we click here the find roommates, here we have to first initially enter our name. Wait. As initially we have to enter our name here and our registration number to book the room. As we enter the get register or not, here shows that our name and register number are previously allocated. But if there is we have already previously booked the room, we cannot access our room booking portal. If not, let's see by entering the new usernames, by entering the name Anil and registration number 83. Let's see. As you are seeing that he is not having any room in our hostel, so we are opening into the our room booking base. We are here provided 4 hostel rooms. As initially I am booking the room in CVR block. As you can see, there are 9 rooms in CVR block. The user wants to select in which room he want to abide. I am selecting room 106. Now we have to enter our details here to book a room. And my roll number is 83. And that username. Book the room. Here you can see first bed was allocated for his. Now going back, checking the room details, which another feature where what room he has booked or which room is get allocated. You can see Anil and roll number 83. You can see which room is get allocated. Here you can see his name is Anil and the bed is first bed, and in CVR room number 106 and his registration number is 83. These are the features what I developed in my app. Now we can see how I developed these features. Let's get into the app. Friends, this is the total backend code I developed for my app. As we can see, I imported all the required packages here: Express, repair, body parser, URL encoded, UJS, or Firebase admin app, and etc. and etc. features. And this is the main route or the home route, app.get route, where we are rendering dash.ejs. It means it is the dashboard of our app. As you initially see the dashboard, this is the base which we are rendering, and see the output. And after, as we can see, this is dashboard, and as we go into the student login page, so this login route, where is it? This is the student login route. As we sign up, the username, password, email is entered. It checks the database, as I used a hash code method where the password is encrypted, means the user or admin, even the hacker cannot know about the password what we are using it. As we can see, the password here is in hashing. This techniques provides or adds extra secure to our to user accounts. This is all about the sign in page, and this is sign up page. He is registering to the app initially at first time with the password, email, and username. In login time also we are hashing the code. As we can see, we are using for hashing. We are using the bicrypt method. With the plain password means it is password salt rounds. Salt rounds means how many times the password wants to get routes or get rotate around a function. Means that times will that password will be hashed. After logging it, we can see here is a page, student page which having this route. In this we have main four features. First feature is we have already I explained about it. Find rooms and my room details and app leave and apply leave and food menu. As let's go how I developed booking rooms feature. Let's see how total the code. As I created a separate route for the each room where you can see there. Wait, it's loading. Yeah, initially I will explain for the first room, and other rooms are similar as you can see. I have created a post method route for the first room, 101 in severe, as it is an asynchronous method, so we are using async. As I am getting what the details to be or who is registering and what the roll number is registering that room. As we can wait, we can see. Let's log in into the page again. To the page again, what we are loading. Let's open. Let's log into the page again. Entering the password. As you can see, I am already entering and improper number. Improper registration number to open the registration page. As you can see, after opening the CVR, you are seeing nine total rooms. I have created each room a new route that handles that room to booking the rooms in it. As you can see the route for the 101 room. We are getting the registration number and name. The first is initially checking that the k value is less than 4. What is k value? I have give k value to each room. That means each value. Wait, I will show it. K value. If k value is 1, that means one member is booked a room in that room or allocated that in room. If the k value is 2, two members are allocated rooms in that room. There is no two value rooms. Wait, I will show you the example 104. Booking another room, something rough data. Here you can see the first bed is booked in 104 room as coming to database. Here we can see that the full number is updated to 22. Let's come into the code. I developed. Here you can see that I am accessing the full from the database variable from the database and comparing with the value 4. That means if the k value is equal to or 4 or greater than 4 means we have only 4 members to the room and the value is increasing for numbers, and it will show the rooms were the full. No one can be registered then, but we can see another rough data until the value increases to the 4. It shows then no beds are uh, still available in the room. Wait, it's loading. Wait, no, sorry, I forgot to. Yeah, here you can see that rooms are completed. It shows like that if the rooms were completed. And here you can see I am updating each value in each bed for the each time where the rooms are there are not. And again you can see every feature, every room is implemented like that only. Accessing the k value, checking the value is less than a 4, and giving the room numbers in a series order 1 2 3 4, rooms allocating each student. Everything is allocated similarly like that. And let's go into another feature about approving the leaves, how I build it. The another feature is outing permission. As you already see that the user submits some personal details about it. At this goes to the admin page. Let's see how I build it. The reason is to enter some details. Let's see how I build it. Where it's leave feature, leave. Let's wait, friends. I'm checking for that place. Here you can see that in the app.post route of the leaves, I have entered all the features, entering into the database with the name outing, where I am storing in here name, room number, date, purpose, and the status as nil. As in use admin route, we can see how he accepts or rejects the outing. Let's go into the outing EJS file of admin page, where he get all the data as you already see it in earlier explanation of getting a table about the login details, but we have login into it. Yeah, here see that in this type we will get a table what the here admin will process the details. As I am accepting it, we will get the result as rejected or accepted. Let's get into the code. Opening the admin page, here admin is just node.js file, is all routes all leaves file. Wait, I am opening the file. Yeah, this file. As he opens it, getting all the details from the database, pushing the all the details in the database into the array, and rendering it to the page as you see here. And coming to that page, HTML page or AJS page, we are from pushing to the array, we are retrieving all the data from that array by for each loop, and I am passing a object, so I am accessing it objects and with the names is where it's the route. Yeah, this is the route. Here you can see I am passing all the login details. When I press that accept button or rejected button of the outing, you can see what process is happening there. All out. Here you can see if there is if the data is and that place is not accepted or rejected in the status place, it will render this accepted or reject buttons, or it renders already processed. I am calling the routes from the JavaScript using the fetch method. If I click accept button, it calls the accept dot I accept route, and if I plus reject, it load a reject route as method post. It is, you can see there is my method post. Here what is dollar id? It is params which pass it to the routes when user is logging, or it can be it is known as parameters. It can be accessed through params keyword and stored in the variable called id. As here you can see, I am taking that id from that user and accessing the details and etc. Okay, and this is all the same. The result feature also working like that same. Then menu button. Here I am providing a form tag where the created update dot menu.js form tag where the admin has to give the today's menu, as you can see, and as he is submitting it, all the data was entered into menu collection, and here the data is updated and rendered automatically in the menu place. That's how the code I implemented here at that place. Here this is all the about the rendering phase, and this is the menu card. As user entering it, it automatically updates the data. As when the user requesting the menu page, it collects the data from the database and giving into the objects, and as I am passing to the objects, you can see it is notice board is in this, the object is passed and the object elements are accessed. This is how I totally implemented my page. Thanks guys, give me for this opportunity.